I think while the example is a very, very old example, but industry has been always very, very dynamic. So changes have been happening, consumers are changing, market environment is changing, organizations are also changing. I agree with all the panel members that it's a matter of speed of change, which is the biggest differentiator as of now. Earlier it used to be the product, the design, the story which used to be differentiated, or the USP was enough to manage the differentiation and drive market shares in the market. It's no longer that. It's not the matter of USP and differentiation. It's a matter of how well have you been able to understand the consumer, segment that consumer to understand it better, target it, and then position your product, and then further distribute the product near and around the periphery of that consumer to provide experience which is far superior than others. So it's no longer dependent on that traditional product which used to be the market share driver. I think that's a big game-changing phenomena in the industry today. Second biggest factor which is actually going around right now is the way environment is, where the government itself is promoting so much of entrepreneurial behaviors, which brings so much of risk-taking ability. Young India, young population with young CEOs emerging, so much of risk-taking abilities. People are willing to experiment, bring new innovations, disruptions. I think this is all possible with David's kind of organization who is willing to, call for a stake and let it be, let's go with the flow of the environment, which for Goliaths, it is very, very difficult to do. So that's one of the second biggest point. The third biggest point is the way the digitalization is going on, which actually personalizes the product. So regionalizing, personalizing, and finally bringing the experience which drives consumer loyalty, which is far higher than any other surveys which people can capture also, is actually changing the game in the market for all the big players. So in such environment where so many niche players are coming up, the issue clearly emerges as mass versus niche player. How is the competition going to be? So I'll give example of my own organization and the brands and the industry. Edible oil, there's more than 500 brands. Today, as strategists in the team, we don't plan basis top 3 players, how do we grab share? There the shares are not moving. In fact, top 3 players are losing share. The share is actually going to 452 brands who are actually gaining share in multiple markets, which is spread around the country. So every 500 kilometers, there is a new brand which leads the market. So it doesn't matter now what's your brand architecture, what's your brand strategy. It doesn't matter from the global perspective. What matters is how did you localize it and did you capture the local insight to drive the share. So that's a big change which I am seeing happening in my own industry as an example.